In this experiment, I put two AI design tools, Cursor and Lovable, to the test in real-world design workflows. The results were eye-opening. While Cursor streamlined the prototyping process effectively, Lovable struggled with usability and integration. Let's dive into the details of this comparison to understand which tool might actually solve your design challenges. I focused on a specific design task, creating a user interface for a simple task management app. The constraints were clear. I needed to assess how each tool handles design iterations, user feedback, and collaboration features. My goal was to identify not just performance, but also the user experience for a designer under time pressure. Starting with Cursor, I initiated the design process. Cursor integrates AI suggestions directly into the design canvas, which is a promising feature. I began by creating the app's dashboard. Cursor's AI provided relevant design suggestions based on my initial prompts, significantly reducing my brainstorming time. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. I encountered an issue where the AI suggestions were too generic for my specific use case. For instance, the color palette recommendations didn't align with the branding I had in mind. I quickly adjusted my approach by customizing the inputs to generate more tailored suggestions. Now, let's switch gears to Lovable. I started the same design task, but the initial setup took longer than expected. Lovable's interface was less intuitive, and the onboarding process also felt cumbersome, making it hard to get into a creative flow. After finally getting my bearings, I attempted to create the same dashboard layout. Lovable has unique collaboration features that allow team members to comment directly on designs, which sounds great on paper. But in practice, I found the comment notifications overwhelming and hard to manage. This led to confusion rather than clarity in the design process. Next, I shifted focus to evaluating the iterative design process with both tools. In Cursor, I was able to quickly apply user feedback to my design. The AI helped me identify patterns in feedback and suggested specific changes. For example, when testers mentioned that the button sizes were too small, Cursor offered a variety of size options that I could implement with a single click. Conversely, Lovable lacked this level of AI integration. While I could collect feedback through comments, the tool didn't provide actionable insights. I had to manually sift through the comments and figure out patterns, which wasted valuable time and led to missed opportunities for quick iterations. Another critical aspect I looked at was collaboration. Cursor allowed for real-time collaboration, where multiple team members could work on the design simultaneously. This feature worked seamlessly and felt productive. When I invited a colleague to join, we could bounce ideas off each other in real time, making design decisions faster. In contrast, Lovable's collaboration felt disjointed. While it allowed for commenting, it lacked a coherent real-time editing experience. When my colleague joined, we faced lag issues, and changes didn't sync immediately. This led to confusion about who was working on what, ultimately hindering our workflow. Now, let's evaluate the pricing. Cursor offers a subscription plan that feels justified given its features, especially if you work in a team setting. Lovable, however, is priced similarly but falls short in delivering the same level of value. For a tool that's supposed to enhance design workflows, Lovable didn't hold up in performance or usability. So, what's the verdict? For designers, especially those working in fast-paced environments or teams, Cursor emerges as the clear winner. Its AI-driven suggestions and seamless collaboration features can significantly enhance productivity. If you're a designer looking for a tool that delivers functionality and ease of use, Cursor is worth the investment. For founders or product managers, the choice may depend on your team dynamics. If your team thrives on collaboration and rapid iteration, Cursor will provide the tools necessary for success. On the other hand, if you prefer more manual oversight and have a smaller team, Lovable might still serve your needs, albeit with limitations. And for developers, the integration capabilities of Cursor can streamline the handoff process from design to development. Lovable, while it has potential, might introduce more friction than is necessary, especially if you need a fluid transition from design to code. In summary, while both tools have their merits, Cursor stands out for its speed and efficiency in design workflows. Lovable has room for improvement, particularly in usability and collaboration features. As always, the best tool depends on your specific needs, but based on this experiment, I'd lean heavily toward Cursor for a more productive design experience. This channel is dedicated to exploring real AI product experiments, testing tools so you don't have to, and helping you make informed decisions for your design needs. If you're interested in discovering more experiments like this one, consider subscribing to the channel. Your next design solution might just be a video away.